Carter right over there. He's right over here. He's getting in. We got, yo, stay close. Stay close. Remember what we gotta do, man. Come on. Okay. Get Carter with these 5 easy pieces. Give him dog day afternoons and scary evenings. His blood is like American graffiti, tagging up the mean streets. Thieves like us just need to get away speedy. Yo, we had a close encounter once. I was a taxi driver across 110th Street. He was a writer for the network. On his last detail, pulled a sting to catch females. Re-up in Chinatown, it went well. Called them the Switchblade Sisters. 3 women who play saddles for Barry Lyndon. He was small time, he traded day for night. He was the fall guy, 9 years of straight time. Protection inside, the grand prize was Annie Hall, first of 7 beauties. Yo, I tried to squeeze her, she was a silent movie. The daughter of the second godfather. Like clockwork, my phone rang, he told me, you got work. Annie in love with Carter, her father wouldn't have it. They tangoed in Paris and contemplated marriage. I was out in Nashville, Carter's in Manhattan. Took the Midnight Express, I'm at his door with gloves fastened. No bystanders, cause Carter lived alone. Halloween night, I'm in his closet with his coats. He walked up in that house, don't make a sound. I grabbed him out the vestibule, shit, don't look now. A catch-22, cause Carter did the news. So I had to hide my tracks under bed knobs with brooms. And that was that. Gave him that Saturday Night Fever. Straight out the Badlands. Long goodbye, my man. Till next time.